Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to troubleshoot Rachio smart sprinkler system. Uh, Actually, I have a cover off. If you put cover, it's gonna look like that. So basically what happened, I'm keep getting a notification from the sprinkler zone. It says it's running but it's not watering anymore. So in this video we are going to troubleshoot. I have a trace already where the zone 2 or 1 and stuff like the wire. So now I'm going to make a quick video so we can understand. Now let's start first zone 1, which one is a faulting. If I go to my cell phone, I'm on my cell phone, I have a Rachio app. On the app, if I go to my first zone, which one is a faulting, I'm gonna go quick run and you will see will be a quick run. And I'm going to run for like 3 minutes. If you see here, it's try to run, but it's like keep flashing red. So this one really smart system, it detecting the water valve not opened, something happened. So how are we gonna troubleshoot? So actually, I'm gonna turn off the zone right now. So you can either, if you're not familiar with electricity, then you can also turn off so you cannot mess with your controller. You can disconnect from here. So now if you see zone 1 and zone 2, zone 1 have a purple wire, zone 2 have a black wire. So these two stations are at one spot. So I have a trace story. I'm going to take you over there. So that's the place. You can also see whoever have done this job, they have put the numbers zone 2, zone 1. So basically I have an issue with this one, and this one have a purple wire over here. So what I'm going to do, zone 2 is working, but zone 1 not. First, we can turn on manually, see if there's water flow and stuff. Let's see, I spin that valve. So here we go, my sprinklers are running right now. So basically, we have water and everything flows, valves not sprinkles not clogged or nothing. I'm gonna shut off. So now what I will do, I'm gonna swap this wire with zone 2, then we will turn zone 2 and see if that one gonna work. So basically we have to swap the wire like a zone 1 and a 2. If problem swapped, that means something wrong with the wire. If problem stays the same, then we have a problem with the something coil or here, because these are also, they're like that. So now I'm going to swap wire, but I have to swap out of the camera. Okay, now I have a swapped wire. I'm going to turn zone 1 on, see if this one gonna come on. I will go to my app, quick run. I will say run. Here we go. So now zone 1 is working. Let's turn off. You can see it's running, zone 1. I'm gonna turn off. So now by just swapping wire and testing, I'm sure my coil is bad. I have checked the wire is good, controller is good, we have a water flow and everything. Now we are just going to change this coil, and it's really simple. You can buy from the local store. It look a little bit different. I show you what I mean. I'm going to remove the bad coil and see how it look like. The coil out, that's the old one, original coil inside. If you can see, it look totally different. I was trying to search this one online, and this one really expensive. On eBay, you will get about like $30 plus tax, shipping or something, whatever around, or Amazon it's like $40. But this coil was used with the adapter. When I a little bit lose this nut, it came out as the adapter. And if you buy this one you can buy from Home Depot around like $10-15. So this coil also will fit. You can see this one basically going to be same thread. This one just using adapter. So up to you, you want to spend same money, buy the exact same, but I'm going to use this one and we will test. For this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some Teflon tape on around, and then we will tie it and see how it works. Okay, I have a Teflon tape already. Just let you know, do not put too much Teflon tape, or do not put it at the front, because you need to put this coil all the way. If your coil going to be loose, you're gonna keep bleeding out those water through your sprinkler. You're never gonna see. Now I'm going to put in, you can also use any kind of liquid, Might you don't need it, but I don't know. I'm just want to use it because I don't want to come back again and deal with the leak. So let me put this one on. I have to put my camera away. I will be really tight. Then we're gonna wire up. I have installed the coil already. I'm gonna turn the water on, see if there's any leak. If there's no leak, we will wire up. Already turn on all the way. Yeah, so far no leak. I didn't see any water dripping or spray. We're gonna wire up. I tried earlier, but I believe at the coil at this one we have both same color. I believe it doesn't matter. You can put any to the neutral and then to the 24 volts. Now I have wired up this coil and let's test. It was zone number 2, cross front middle. I'll go to my phone Rachio app, quick run. You can ask me how long. I'm gonna run for 3 minutes. You can hear it's click and something happening. And this side we got water. Now we're gonna walk to the sprinkler. See zone 2 if it's watering. As you can see, earlier there was zone 1, but I have a swapped wire already. The black wire go to zone number 2 is blinking green. To show, I'm gonna run also zone number 1 and to make sure that both are working right now. Number 2, I'm gonna stop here, go back, zone number 1, quick run, and I will run for 3 minutes, and you could see zone number 1 is also started. So we have resolved our problem. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.